Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best pool vacuum head on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Milliard Deluxe Pool Vacuum Head. This vacuum head for spas and pools is just 11 inches in width and doesn't have wheels. But its triangular shape offers more effective swoops and suction. This swimming pool vacuum head is designed for smaller, ensure that it can make deep cleanings on surfaces, using all 3 sides of its vinyl bristles. Hence, it is the recommended model for deeper and quality vacuuming. It can fit into vacuum ports measuring 1.25 and 1.5 inches, as well as every standard-sized telescopic extension. Weight makes it a little bit harder to pull the device from the deep pool floor. However, its nylon bristles make it the best vinyl pool vacuum head on this list. Pros: suitable for regular use. Highly resistant ABS plastics. Suitable for swimming pools and spas. Triangular shape for more surface cleaning. Suitable for vinyl pools. Cons: only suitable for small pools. Not for heavy cleaning. Less maneuverability. Number 2. Our second best pick is HydroTools by Swimline Weighted Half Moon Pool Vacuum Head. The HydroTools by Swimline Pool Vacuum Head doesn't feature wheels, has a smaller width, just 10 inches, but this moon-shaped vacuum head will scrub every floor surface it comes in contact with. Its nylon bristles also make it one of the best vacuum heads for vinyl swimming pools. The head features a durable and gentle brush coming out of a durable ABS plastic construction. It will fit into all 1 1/4 and 1 1/2 inch standard vacuum hoses, vacuum port, and standard extension poles, handle. In conclusion, it is one of the best manual pool vacuum heads on the market. Pros: suitable for curved pools. Impressive maneuverability. High quality for a low price. Replaceable brush. Impressive suction. Cons: not for hard surfaces. Doesn't feature wheels. Number 3. Our third best pick is Milliard Pool and Spa Vacuum Head 13-inch. Yet another Milliard model. This heavy-duty vacuum pool and spa vacuum head is another moon-shaped product that has no wheels. However, this is different from the previous model because a much more durable construction, because it is made of both ABS plastic and metal materials. In all, the wider size and the stronger build makes it suitable for harder floors. It also features the air relief valves, which prevent stress on the filter pumps and reduce pulling efforts on the pool lining. Pros: inexpensive model. Durable bristles. Made of durable ABS. Safe for vinyls. Suitable for regular use. Cons: not for deep pools. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Milliard Pool and Spa Vacuum Head, Polypropylene. The curved corners make this vacuum head easy maneuver along corners and walls, and the weighted base sinks right to the bottom of your pool and stays there, so you can get a complete pool cleaning the easy way. The wide 12-inch cleaning surface comes with 10 sets of polypropylene bristles that are firmer than nylon but softer than steel, giving the perfect balance to clean all types of pool surfaces. Pros: locking clips compatible for all poles. Impressive maneuverability. Easy to use. Impressive suction. Wider head for large pools. Cons. There are no brushes. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is US Pool Supply Heavy Duty Pool Vacuum Head. Made of ABS plastic and steel materials, this concrete pool vacuum head is probably the hardest and flexible vacuum head on this list. Featuring a rectangular design and a large 19-inch width, debris it finds on its way. Ideal for in-ground swimming pools, the vacuum head is also designed with a set of wheels for more autonomous operation. The vacuum head can fit into a 1.5-inch vacuum hose as well as poles with a standard size. It has a weighted body that helps it stay submerged in water. The body is extra wide, the widest in this review, and it has an aluminum pole handle. However, the section of the wheel of the head isn't durable. Pros: flexible construction, 19-inch width, can clean concrete floors, comes with wheels. Cons: plastic inserts holding wheels are not durable, not heavy-duty as advertised. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.